All right, you're done with the dashboard making. It's time to present our insights to our clients. It's time to create some scenarios. It's time to create some customer segments and show what are the unusual results that we see in those customer segments. Let us start with the first scenario. Let us give one scenario where there is very, very high chance for getting a stroke. That is easy. When the age is high, when there is heart disease, when there is hypertension. Age high, heart disease is there, hypertension is there. There is a 21% of the population have got stroke. 1 out of 5 have got stroke. In which scenario? In this scenario, this is a customer segment that looks like this. When age is high, heart disease is there, and then when there is hypertension, 1 out of 5 people are getting stroke. That is the first scenario. That is one scenario that we want our customer to look into. Okay. So what we can do is this kind of scenario, we can bookmark it. So how do you bookmark it? Go to drill down. What is it? Format or what? Where is that bookmark option? Go to filters. Where is our bookmark? Where is that option? Usually you have all the options. The problem with Power BI is there are too many options. Sometimes we have to search once or twice to understand, because it will be impossible to remember or memorize all the options. Here is the bookmark option. Okay. So bookmark this scenario. Why are you bookmarking this? So that you don't miss out on this scenario. So add this whole scenario as bookmark. So bookmark 1 is the name that is given. Let us rename it as, what is that? High stroke scenario. High stroke rate. So that this bookmark, somebody clicks on it, let's say, even if you lose out these filters, clear the selection, clear the selection, clear the selection. This is a general table. Now you can ask the client or your viewer, can you click on this bookmark, high stroke rate? He clicks on this. Automatically, these filters are selected. This is very automatic, so that he will never miss out on this scenario. Your final analysis is all about scenario analysis, right? So you don't miss out on this scenario if you create bookmarks like this. It's not a rule that you must create all this, but these are some of the good habits when you're working on data visualization projects. If you are an advanced BI analyst, they will be following these habits. When we talk to those BI analysts, business intelligence analysts, they will be taking care of these small things. That is scenario 1. Let's go to scenario 2. When the stroke is very, very less probable, when the age is less, when there is no heart disease, when there is no BP, hypertension is not there, when the stroke rate is less than 1%. From 20%, previously the stroke rate in bookmark 1 was 20%. Now this is less than 1%. That means 20 times difference is there, isn't it? Stroke rate. Now you can bookmark this as well. So you can go here, add this as bookmark, rename this scenario as, what is the renamed version? Rename this scenario as low stroke rate. This is one scenario, low stroke rate, high stroke rate. Okay. Usually when you are giving a dashboard, you don't really select these filters. You say clear selection, clear selection, clear selection. You give this, you give this dashboard as it is. But with these bookmarks, you can tell your client or you can tell your viewer directly to look at this, isn't it? That is scenario 2. Low stroke scenario, high stroke scenario. That is it. This dashboard is ready. Our insights are ready. You can give several other insights as well. There are so many things that we can talk about. We can talk about age. We can talk about other interactions as well. But the real thing or the real objective that we have, what causes stroke, we almost got that output. So that is why we can wrap this up. Okay, we are done with the analysis. It's time to share our dashboard with the clients. The clients don't want to open a Power BI desktop app like this, then they don't want to try like this. The clients want to see this on a mobile phone. The clients want to see our dashboard on a website. There must be a way to share this. There must be a way to put these on a server so that everybody in our organization, or if you have 10 clients or 10 stakeholders, your client, their manager, their team want to see your results. All that healthcare team, they are waiting for our results. People from that hospital or the healthcare, they have given us the data. They are waiting for our results. And a lot of people are going to play around with these filters. So let us share these results. How do you share these insights? How do you share these insights is the next step. So that is going to be probably our last step, step 9, sharing the insights with the stakeholders. How do you pass on this information with the stakeholders? That is our next step. Let us go to that next step.